52 work, man. We like this guy. He always puts on a good show out of Georgia. Oh, yeah. He's got 650 and then something sick. This is his race truck. And 50 year old throttle. Woo! Go, baby, go! Oh, no! Straight down, baby. Come outside. Come outside. Right down, get it. Something sick, Mr. Camp out of Georgia.
The big red truck, I have a video actually of you hitting Mountie Hole first thing in the morning at 6 o'clock in the morning.
You have a video?
I have a video of you hitting it.
Yeah, pull the video out.
I have the video.
Alright, here we go. Trying to get his top spot back. Gotta be a 42.9. Come on. Come on. Alright, gotta be on it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Be on point, be on point, come on. There you go, there you go. Get up on that tire, man. Come on, come on, come on. He's running, he's running. He wants the top spot back. Oh, man. He's running. Or 562, 44, 562, 44.562. Come on, come on, come on. Do the final stretch, back stretch. Here we go. Big jump. Big jump. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, no. Roll, 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 roll. It broke the timer. You're good. All right, 49.556.